Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you spot trade on Binance? Now, this is a very frivolous topic and it's very quick, so just bear with me in this one. So, first and foremost, open your Binance and okay, spot trading on Binance involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at current market prices. Here's a detailed guide. So, create and verify your Binance account first, of course. So go to Binance.com, sign up for an account if you haven't already, complete the verification process required by Binance, which usually involves identification verification, KYC. Okay, so and deposit funds basically after your account is verified. Deposit funds into your Binance account, and you can deposit cryptocurrencies or flat currency depending on what Binance supports for your trading pairs, basically. So, navigate the spot trading platform. Once logged in, hover over the Trade tab on the top left corner of the Binance homepage. Now, click on Classic or Advanced depending on your preferences. For beginner is Classic is recommended. Okay, now choose a trading pair. Once you're done with passing all those nooks and crannies, you go with trading pair. So in the trading interface, there's select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade with. Like, for example, if you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, so select BTC/ETH pair. So that's basically how you pair the two. So again, it's BTC and ETC pair. That's how you basically trade Binance. So understanding the trading interface. So the trading interface consists of price card. Okay, shows the historical price movements of the selected cryptocurrency pair. And next is order book, lists of the current buy and sell orders for the selected pair. And of course, the buy and sell box, where you could enter your buy or sell orders. And how can we forget, last but not least, is the trade history. Okay, shows your recent trades executed for the pair. Okay, shows you everything there. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and placing a buy order, of course. So decide the type of order. So there's two types of order. There's market order, executes immediately at the current market price. So that's the market order. Limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to buy. So enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy and review the total cost, because that's basically the initial step on how to do with this process. So the next one is placing an order. So similar to buying, you can place basically. So you can place order or you can sell. There's two types of sellings. Again, it's market sell, sells immediately at the current market price, and limit sell sets a specific price in which you want to sell. Okay, so it's very important to learn the basics when it comes to these things. So executing the trade is basically the goal here. After entering your order details, click on buy, sell to execute. So that's just basically the same exchange of information. If using a limit order, or the order will be placed in the order book until it's filled with your specified price, basically. So after monitoring your trades, you really have to monitor your trades, because if you don't, you're just gonna lose it all at once. So you can monitor your open orders and trade history under the orders tab in the trading interface. So this helps you track the status basically of your trade. So just to help you keep in track and keep it on mind and keep it on the go on how to really assess and do this. So withdrawing funds is the last step. That's it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys, and thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.